maraming tao guys. Dito guys. Sa plaza ko guys. Dito guys sa Pampangan guys. Dito ba guys. Gawa. Paksi. Dito guys, plaza guys. Dito guys, so maraming tao dito guys. May banda mamayang gabi dito guys. May banda gabi, may bandang gawin mayang gabi dito guys. Dito guys, so may banda mayang gabi guys. Wala guys. Mamandamay ang gabi guys dito po guys, Pikawayan Sayap guys. Galing po Pikawayan guys, at Cotabato guys. Sayap guys. Sayap guys. Pista kasi ngayon guys, pista ngayon guys. Pista ngayon guys dito guys. Guys dito guys, so pista ngayon kasi guys dito guys, Pikawayan. Palo lang kayo, Pandis Biker. What out guys, sorry guys, so what out. Hey guys, what out guys. Palo lang kayo, Pandis Biker, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Yes, tama tao dito guys.
Hi vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hashtag Bisaya Pista. Guys. Pandis Bikers. Pandis. 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 Ano ba sa Facebook? Ano? Ayun din, Pandis Bikers.
Ikaw ba search ko yan? Ikaw lagi makita.
Wait lang.